gonna blow your mind. This company Fable figured out how to use AI to recreate South Park. But here's what's crazy. This isn't some shitty AI version. It's actually funny. And they didn't just make one episode, they built an engine that can make unlimited episodes of any animated show. It's insane. So they started by taking images of 1,200 South Park characters and 600 background scenes, and they used them to train an AI model. This allowed them to create infinite combinations of new characters and new scenes. Then they built this virtual world where the characters are AI bots that can freely roam around the map and interact with each other. To make an episode, they enter a high-level prompt of what they want to happen. In this example, an evil corporation creating a robot pig, but it could be any storyline with any of the characters. Then they run it, and the result is a full episode. The characters, dialogue, voices, and editing is all done by AI automatically. If they want, they can add more customization to a scene or give specific instructions to a certain character. They can also easily insert anyone, including you or I, into the show. What's crazy is that this is real and works today. Now, the team said they just used South Park to demonstrate the tech, and they don't plan to make more episodes because they don't own the IP. But they do have 7 of their own original shows lined up to release this year. I don't see how this platform doesn't completely change animated content. The team calls it the simulation. Sounds fitting.